We produce Charmin toilet paper is the machine I work with. We also make bounty paper towels and diapers here in Mahoopany.
Actually, on the other side of this wall is a railroad. That's one of the ways that we bring pulp, is what we call it, fiber, the bales. That's one way we bring them in. Another way we could bring them in is on trucks. So behind you see Pulper 7. So basically, as you saw before, Steve loaded up bales over here on the storage end. They come down here, they get destacked. It moves just a single bale over here.
This is one of our towel product machines. So this machine makes the parent rolls that you see. These parent rolls will be distributed to the bounty converting lines, and they'll make them into individual bounty rolls.
What we do is we take that big parent roll that they made and we make it into the product that you actually buy and sell, or buy at, in the grocery store, at Walmart, the stuff that you would have on your countertop that you're actually using. So realistically, we're taking a big roll and making it into a small roll. So at this plant, we have over 1,000 trailers coming in and out a day, which is incoming and outgoing product. So our outbound shipments are around 301 trailers a day, which is right around 12,500 units a day going out.
It feels great working with a huge company that makes a huge impact on manufacturing across all of North America.
So I would say it's really awesome to work at a company like P&G because we're a global business, and when you work at a site like Mahoopany, that is the second largest manufacturer plant in the country, any change that you can make is going to have a huge impact on the business and maybe even the world.